You start making progress, then life shifts. A trip, a move, a deadline, a school break, and suddenly it feels like you're back at zero again. Even if you were consistent for weeks, as soon as the routine breaks, so does the momentum. It's frustrating and exhausting because it feels like you're always starting over. That feeling has a name. I call it progress panic. It's what happens when your brain does not register past wins. So each restart feels like the first time all over again. And the truth is, your brain is not trying to sabotage you. It's just missing one key thing: continuity. Researchers found that habit memory is strongly tied to physical location and environmental context. That's it. When those change, the behavior often disappears, even if the intention is still there. That's why when your schedule changes or your space shifts, your habits feel harder, your progress feels fragile, and your confidence drops even when you've already done this before. What's missing is an anchor, something that reminds your brain, we've done this, we're not starting from scratch. You don't need to rebuild everything. You just need to reconnect to what was already working. And outdoor cues are the simplest way to do that. The simplest way. Because they are not tied to a specific app, specific space, or specific routine. They are physical. They travel with you. They make progress feel familiar. Again. So restart with one familiar outdoor habit. Pick something that worked before. A 5-minute morning walk, standing outside after lunch, or like me, drinking my early morning water on my balcony, or stretching near a window. Bring it back. Let it remind your brain that the habit is still alive. 2, make your next action repeatable, not perfect. The goal is not to catch up, it's to reconnect. So instead of an all or nothing reboot, just repeat one cue each day. Familiarity is what rebuilds momentum. 3, use your environment to trigger your habit. Don't wait for motivation. Step outside and let the light, sound, or movement signal it's time. That shift brings the habit back into focus without mental effort. If you're ready to stop restarting and start reconnecting to the progress you've already made, check the Escape the Mind Maze in 11 Days Challenge. I designed it to help you clear the fog and rebuild steady momentum. Steady momentum. Comment 11 days and I'll send it to you. So 11 days. Remember, outdoor anchors remind your brain you're not starting from zero. You're continuing a journey that already began. Yalla, that's another reason to go outside.